Step out of the car and walk to the front.
Sir, I want to supervise.
Step out of the car and walk to the front.
It isn't every day you come across footage that serves as a complete blueprint for standard police operations. Here, an Arkansas state trooper demonstrates flawless positioning during the initial stop, manages a high-speed chase, executes a textbook pit maneuver, and secures a vehicle with 3 occupants, all completely unassisted. This video is a prime example.
And Harrison 1021. 559 Young King Henry. 69 Mount Pleasant.
That window's fine up here, sir.
Roll this window down.
This window's fine up here.
I can't see through your window and you got someone in the back seat. Roll it down.
Sir, this window up here is fine.
Roll your window down.
Can I open my door, sir?
Open your door, roll the window down, one of the two.
That's enough.
No, I have to be able to see their hands. I'm not walking past it. Your windows are too dark.
Flawless positioning right there. He radioed in the stop prior to stepping out. He comes up on the passenger side, staying behind the B-pillar as I always recommend, and strictly demands to see everyone's hands. That is absolute textbook execution.
Where's your supervisor?
You're not getting a supervisor.
Sir, I want a supervisor.
Step out of the car and walk to the front.
Sir, I want a supervisor.
Step out of the car and walk to the front.
For a supervisor.
They're still going on me. We're headed southbound on Highway 69.
Whenever a vehicle holds several occupants, there is almost always an intense dialogue happening inside. The driver might be issuing commands on what story to tell, or passengers could be begging to get out. As law enforcement, we constantly wonder what scheme they are putting together and if it poses an immediate threat to us.
They took off whenever I got up to the vehicle.
Take note of this. The driver just turned on their hazard lights. Seeing that immediately tells me they're cooking up an excuse for fleeing. The telemetry shows they are cruising at 48 miles per hour with emergency lights blinking. There is definitely something suspicious brewing, and they are concocting an explanation.
They took off whenever I got up to the vehicle. Southbound.
At this point, he appears to be in a remote zone, continuously broadcasting his speed and heading. In these moments, you assess whether secondary units are available for assistance and if executing a pit maneuver, spinning the suspect vehicle, is feasible. With no air support likely in sight, these are all tactical factors running through the trooper's head right now.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car with your hands up!
Okay, Charlie has the gun on her.
Get out of the car with your hands up!
I got that, okay.
Driver, step out of the car with your hands up!
Okay, look.
Face away from me with your hands up!
Sir.
Walk backwards!
Back.
Face away from my voice! Backwards! Backwards! To your left now. Walk to your left. Walk to your left. Straight to your left. Your left.
This way.
Yes.
Back.
Face away from my voice. Face away. Step back. Step back. Step back. Keep facing away from my voice. Keep facing away from my voice. Another step back. You're going to step down. Watch your step. On your knees.
Outstanding execution during a solo high-risk traffic stop. He strategically instructs the driver to step backward right in line with the vehicle. Since additional unknown individuals remain inside, using the driver as a human shield minimizes the risk of gunfire directed at the trooper. That is exceptionally smart tactics on display.
I'm not on the curb or on the ground?
On your knees on the ground. How many other people's in the vehicle?
Who?
Why are you running?
I'm not running. I was scared of you. I asked
Stand up.
for a supervisor.
You don't get that option.
Yes, I do.
You
sir.
don't make...
This is beginning to sound like classic sovereign citizen rhetoric. You can see the typical playbook starting to unfold right here.
Let me, sir.
Who's in the vehicle with you? Who's in the vehicle with you? Who's in the vehicle with you? Passenger, step out of the car. 28 Harrison, I pitted them just south of Mount Pleasant. Hands up! Put your phone down, put your hands up.
She gets to record you, sir.
Face away from me and walk backwards. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice.
Here's 928, 1050.
Keep walking backwards. All right, stop. Who else is in the car?
My 15-year-old daughter.
Okay, why are y'all running?
We didn't think you were a cop and you wouldn't walk
You didn't
us.
think I'm a cop in uniform in a car with blue lights?
Sir, I wasn't running. I wasn't driving, and I was on the phone to 911.
Okay, it's your 15-year-old daughter? You said it's your 15-year-old daughter?
Yes,
Is there any weapons in the vehicle?
there is.
Step back.
In my purse in the very back.
1025.
Have your daughter walk up here to us. Step out and walk back here to us.
This really highlights the realities of working in a rural setting. This trooper managed everything completely alone. Coming from a major agency in Las Vegas, one of the largest nationwide, a pursuit like this would have drawn 7 or 8 backup units in moments. Here, he handles the pursuit and the high-risk stop without immediate support. Listening to the dispatch, units are en route, but holding suspects at gunpoint solo for 10 full minutes is intense. The composure and effectiveness required of a lone officer in these remote areas is truly impressive.
Erin, get out and walk out here, please.
She's on Highway 69.
She's the only other person in the vehicle, right?
Yes.
Do you have any weapons on you or anything like that?
No.
All right. You can lean right here on my bumper.
25. It shows me stop on the map, just south of the Mount Pleasant city limit. On 69 where it's showing 0.
All right. So y'all would just sit on the front of your vehicle, okay?
Here's 928, 1050.
Walk up here and sit on the front of your vehicle.
37 Harrison, I'm 98 stop, show me en route, so 28.
Lock automatically until it's open.
1037.
Pay attention to the passenger's facial expressions in the back. That repetitive jaw movement could be simple chewing, or it might be bruxism, an involuntary grinding or clenching often linked to narcotics, medical issues, or extreme psychological distress. I am not diagnosing him here, but from a training perspective, law enforcement officers monitor for bruxism as an indicator of possible impairment. He could just be chewing gum, but if any medical professionals or DREs are watching, drop your perspective in the comments. Zero radio connection and still no assistance on scene. After a chase, securing a driver and dealing with an armed passenger, even if she cooperated, could have turned chaotic fast. You really have to respect how professionally this was handled.
I pitted them south of Mount Pleasant, if you can read me. I don't have any radio service here. 1015, 1 mile.
Backup finally arrives in the form of a local deputy who will transport the mother and daughter to the station to determine the next steps. The trooper informs him that a firearm was found inside her purse, so they will need to process that accordingly.
You got anything on your person or any pockets or anything like that? Why are you running, man?
I'm not running from you.
You're not running from
I
me?
immediately called the law to see if you were real.
I had a traffic stop on. I'm wearing full uniform.
Then why'd you pull me over?
Why did I pull you over? For speeding in a busted windshield?
Sir, you came after me because I turned around to see if you were real.
No, I didn't.
Sir, I called the law to see if you were real, and I was waiting for them to confirm it before I pulled back over.
There's nothing illegal in the vehicle? Well, I'm towing the vehicle, so I'm doing an inventory on it, so I do. Can you run a firearm for me?
Yeah. Pull up my QG. Okay, go ahead with it.
It's a Ruger 380 automatic. It's 380-276-784.
Nothing.
Okay. Thank you.
10-4. Did you copy your 10-11?
No, who is it?
It's going to be Israel County towing.
10-4. Will you run one by number for me?
Sure can. Go ahead, roll valid Class B. No endorsements, restrictions, corrective lenses. Violation of enforcing for an accident. No numbers, 52.
Okay, thanks.
She does have a concealed handgun license though in it.
Okay, thank you.
Expired.
It's an expired concealed handgun?
Yeah, it expired in June.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Matt! Matt! Start that car and pull it out of here!
They may need a ride here in a
Can you hear
minute.
me?
Let's have to see.
Can you hear me? Start the car and pull it out of here.
Do you have a driver's license?
I'm 15, no.
You don't have a driver's license? Where y'all live at?
Reed Street, the address on the ID.
Well, most people don't ride on there, so that's why I'm asking.
Isn't it against the law for it not to be correct?
It is, but just like y'all, most people break the law. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you for the law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer if you can afford to hire a lawyer. Won't be appointed to represent you for any questions if you wish. Do you understand all these rights?
Yes.
Okay.
What am
Did
I
you
being
tell him to
charged with?
stop? I'm not saying you're being charged with anything right now. Did you tell him to pull over?
I'm not answering questions without a lawyer present.
Okay.
What was over?
Do what?
Why did you pull us over?
Speeding in a busted windshield? Your windshield busted.
I need some water.
Do what?
Water and air.
Need some air?
That would be nice.
Yeah, I'll turn it on for you.
My daughter hurt.
No.
Flashers were on, so you could have waited for other police to show up.
Sir, I already had you stopped.
Sir, I was driving 40 miles an hour with my flashers on, waiting for other police to show up. I didn't think you were real. I went back to see if you were real, and I came back this way.
I'm wearing a full uniform.
Sir, you just now put your stuff on and walked out that door.
Okay.
It's all on my tape.
It's on mine too.
Sir, you're wrong. I have my flashers on. I asked for supervisors that can prove that you're a real cop. I turned my flashers on. You tried to go on my daughter's door, sir. Not think you were a real cop. You would not. No, you're wrong. I asked for your supervisor to prove that you were a real cop. It's all on tape, sir. Can you let them grab that vehicle out of here?
Do what?
Can you let them grab that vehicle out of here? Sir, it's 4x4. They can pull it right out and go home.
I've already got a tow truck on the way.
So what? I didn't question.
It doesn't
I don't.
matter.
You have to ask me who I want.
No, I don't.
So you have to ask what tow truck company I want.
Okay.
Buy loan. Tow truck company or not, they can drive that vehicle out of here. I do not want a tow truck company to buy vehicle.
You don't have a choice on
I
that.
hope your tape gets that. You have to ask me what tow truck company.
Not when you run.
Sir, I was not running from you. My flashers were on 100% of the time. Please let me sit on the curb. It's too harsh.
No, you're sitting
Sir, I have
there.
handcuffs and all these guns around me. It's too hot. My lips are just drawing up. I can't move.
You're sitting in an air-conditioned
Sir,
vehicle.
there's no air coming back here. I'm asking you as a human being to let me sit outside or open this door.
You're not sitting outside.
Sir, I have handcuffs on.
I know.
I'm 52 years old. I'm not going to run from you.
But you just did.
Sir, I did not run from you. You know my flashers were on and I was calling for help. You did not tow my vehicle, sir. I did not give you permission. I get the kick the record service, sir, and you know it. Man! Man! Are you okay?
Do what?
Are you okay? Are you okay? You asked if my wife was okay?
I did.
And her answer was?
Her answer was, she said that you need to just be quiet.
What is her answer on okay?
She said she was okay.
I often talk about officers asking themselves if they are mentally prepared for a critical situation, and this trooper exemplifies command presence. Working solo, he executed every maneuver and procedure impeccably. Back in the Marines, and throughout law enforcement, we define command presence as projecting authority, composure, and total confidence under intense pressure. He embodied every aspect of that concept, representing the profession exceptionally well. On the flip side, fleeing from law enforcement with a minor in the car naturally leads to serious traffic and evading charges. It never ends well. Now, I want to ask you, if an officer observes a child safety seat in a high-profile vehicle, is executing a pit maneuver still justified under those conditions? Share your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this analysis, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the video on screen for more breakdown content.
Take y'all up there so y'all can have a someone come get y'all. Man, I'm gonna open your door. We can get a little bit of air here, okay?
All right.
Nothing on your person at all before I take you up there, okay? Nothing.
Took my knife. Didn't talk?
Yeah.
Took my knife.
Okay, that's the only thing you had on you? Lean forward for me. You have a handgun in the vehicle that's yours or just hers? Hers. Put your seatbelt on.